President Trump's announcement of a strategic crypto reserve, a sort of announcement, is exposing a rift among some of his biggest Silicon Valley backers. Deirdre Bosa has more in today's Tech Check. Deirdre?
Hey, Kelly. So this really exposes a deeper ideological battle within Silicon Valley's pro-Trump faction. It pits those in favor of less regulation at any cost against libertarians who see this as potential distortion of free markets against the Bitcoin maximalists who see other coins as diluting Bitcoin's narrative. Now, these tensions, they were on public display over the weekend. The administration's crypto czar, David Sachs, facing off against Joe Lonsdale, an influential ally. Lonsdale critiqued the use of taxpayer money for a U.S. crypto reserve. That put Sachs on the defense. And then you had Brian Armstrong, CEO of Coinbase, indirectly questioning the rationale behind diversifying the reserve, suggesting that a Bitcoin-only option would be the best option. You also had one of the Winklevoss twins as well coming out against it. It has also led to accusations of self-dealing among VCs that have gained influence in the White House. While Sachs says that he has sold his crypto positions, he's still an early investor in Bitwise, a crypto asset management firm whose top 5 holdings, you're looking at it right now, and its BITW fund, are the exact cryptos the president announced for inclusion in the reserve. Now, to be fair, they're also the top 5 cryptos by market cap, excluding stablecoins. A spokesperson from Craft Ventures tells me that Sachs is still in an ethics process and cannot speak to startup investments in the meantime, but that really hasn't stopped critics from questioning whether the reserve's structure was influenced by tech's ties to the industry and the White House. There's another VC firm, Andreessen Horowitz. It was one of the earliest and highest profile Trump supporters here in the Valley during the campaign. It's also an early investor in Cardano and Solana. This Friday, the White House will hold its crypto summit, and we could see these tensions boil over, or they could blow over, as one industry insider said he's hopeful they will. But Kelly, a real test, perhaps, of support among tech for Trump.
What's the case with the crypto summit at the White House Friday?
Well, they're going to be giving more details. They're going to be inviting many from around the community. So we'll see if they sort of coalesce around the idea of having a reserve versus stockpiling Bitcoin only, or maybe some of those tensions come out into the open even more. But it is the next sort of data point to keep an eye on.
I don't think tensions would come out into the open at the White House, Deirdre. It's it's not the place.
Why would that happen?
No.
Yeah, it never happened before.
No, we've never seen it. Deirdre, thanks.